Welcome to another episode of our Tech Podcast, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of compilers and programming languages. Today, we're exploring LLVM compiler infrastructure, a project that's been making waves in the software development community for its role in optimizing code and building compilers. So what exactly is LLVM? Well, it stands for Low-Level Virtual Machine, but don't let that technical name scare you off. At its core, LLVM is a toolkit that helps developers create highly optimized compilers and runtime environments. Imagine having a toolbox in your garage, but instead of tools for fixing your car or woodworking, you have tools to help make your software run faster and more efficiently. That's essentially what LLVM offers. Now, LLVM is not just a single tool, it's a whole ecosystem. The core part, also named LLVM, houses everything from libraries to header files. And it even includes a handful of handy tools. You might recognize some of them. We've got an assembler and disassembler, a bitcode analyzer, and a bitcode optimizer. Each of these tools plays a vital role in processing what's known as intermediate representations, which is just a fancy way of saying the code is in a format that's between human-readable and machine-readable. But wait, there's more. For all you programmers out there working with C-like languages, LLVM supports the Clang frontend. Think of Clang as your translator, helping you convert code written in languages like C, C++, and Objective-C into LLVM's bitcode. Then it's smooth sailing from there to object files, the final product that your machine can execute. And what about the other components I mentioned? Well, there's libc++, which is the C++ standard library tailored for compatibility with LLVM. It ensures that when you use standard C++ features, everything runs seamlessly. Plus, we have LLD, the linker, which combines your object files into a final executable. It's like the glue that holds everything together. So you're probably wondering, how can I get involved or use LLVM? That's the exciting part. You can download the source code and even start building your own version of LLVM. If you're interested in contributing to the project, there are resources available, like the Getting Started with LLVM page and the Contributing to LLVM guide, which provides step-by-step instructions. Before we wrap up, let's talk community. The LLVM project is all about collaboration and open communication. They've set up platforms such as the LLVM Discourse forums and a Discord chat where developers can connect, share ideas, and ask questions. And to ensure a welcoming atmosphere, LLVM has adopted a code of conduct to guide how participants engage. So as we finish up today's episode, remember that LLVM isn't just about compilers. It's about a vibrant community of developers working together to push the boundaries of what's possible in programming. If you're interested in optimizing your code or just want to learn more about how compilers work, I strongly encourage you to check out LLVM. That wraps up our discussion for today. I hope you found it enlightening. If you have any thoughts or questions about LLVM or compilers in general, feel free to reach out. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep coding and exploring.